Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the VM image and core settings. First, download VirtualBox and the extension pack so USB and RDP work. Then pick the OS ISO you will install. Create a new VM, set the name and OS type, and allocate CPU cores and at least 2 GB RAM. Make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS. Next, create a VDI virtual disk and choose dynamic or fixed storage. Once done, attach the ISO to the VM's optical drive and save settings to start installation. Now power on the VM and install the guest operating system from the attached ISO. Follow installer prompts and partition as required. After the OS boots, install VirtualBox guest additions from the device's menu to enable better video, clipboard sharing, and shared folders. Configure display settings, enable 3D if needed, and adjust video memory. Then set up networking. Use NAT for internet access or host-only for isolated LAN, and map shared folders to transfer files between host and guest. Finish by updating the guest OS and installing any drivers or tools you need. Then optimize disk usage and clean temporary files. Take a snapshot to preserve a clean state before major configuration changes or experiments. If you need remote access, enable RDP or configure port forwarding. If something goes wrong, like the VM won't boot, check the VirtualBox VM log for errors. Verify VTX or AMDV is enabled in BIOS and ensure the ISO is not corrupted. Revert to a snap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.